Ready to effortlessly conquer those tricky statistics problems? Meet ShinStats. Picture having a personal statistics wizard in your pocket, leading you step by step through the toughest questions. Hey Nixers! Ever encountered challenges when computing conditional probabilities? Today, we're about to unravel that mystery. Join me as we calculate the conditional probabilities from a given contingency table. All right, Nixers, got a question for you. Now let's proceed to the calculator and crunch the numbers. Begin by launching the app. Head to the menu bar and click on it. And here's a quick pro tip. To make things even easier, use the search bar. Just type conditional, and it will lead you straight to the calculator. On the calculator's landing page, we will be asked to input the number of rows and the number of columns associated with the contingency table. In consideration of the given table below, that has 3 political parties composed of Democrat, Republican, and Independent, and 2 genders, namely male or female, we input a 3-row by 2-column contingency table. Moving on, we populate the contingency table with the corresponding column and row names, then proceed with providing the values. Remember, accuracy is the key. The app's magic works best with precise data. Now, we're ready to unleash the statistical wizardry and proceed with the calculation of the required probability. With everything set, we now click Calculate and wait for the app to do its magic. Interested in downloading the app? Link in my bio. All right, Nixers, let's delve into the step-by-step solution. We'll walk through each phase, providing a sneak peek into what the calculator churns out. In Step 1, we calculate the corresponding row and column totals of the given contingency table. For example, in the first row, we see that the values are 20 and 22 respectively. It follows that the first row total will be 20 plus 22, which is equal to 42. Similarly, in the first column, we see that the values are 20, 21, and 19 respectively. Therefore, the first column total will be 20 plus 21 plus 19, which is equal to 60. We do the same operation for the next succeeding rows and columns. It is also important to note the grand total located at the bottom right corner of the modified contingency table. In this case, the grand total is equal to 130, which represents the total number of respondents to the survey. Since we need to calculate the conditional probabilities, we proceed directly to Step 4. Before we do any calculation, it's essential to understand the probability notation of the conditional probability, which involves 2 events. The event of interest to the left of the slash and the conditioning event, or simply the condition to the right of the slash. For instance, when determining the conditional probability that a random respondent is a Democrat given that they are male, Democrat is the event of interest, and male is the conditioning event. To calculate this conditional probability, we divide the intersection of the event of interest and the conditioning event by the row or column total associated with the conditioning event. For example, if the intersection of Democrat and male in the contingency table is 20, we divide this by the column total for male, which is 60. The resulting conditional probability is 0.3333. This process is repeated for the remaining conditional probabilities, maintaining a consistent approach throughout. Can I interest you in an opportunity? Leverage our handy calculator to guide you to further understand these calculations. For an added twist, compare your own calculations to the generated solutions to facilitate a thorough cross-check. Drop your answer in the comments. Your input is the key to knowing if we're making a real impact. Let us hear your thoughts. Did those results light up a spark of curiosity in your mind? Show some love with a double tap or hit that like button. If you're itching for more data-driven excitement, click the link in my bio to download the app from the Google Play Store. A heartfelt thanks for sticking with us till the end of the video. See you on the next one. Follow for more.